Hello folks, in today's episode what we're going to be doing is just getting the garden ready to be plowed for this winter. Right now we're just burning up a little bit of the areas where it had a bunch of weeds. Before we turn the soil over, we'll burn them weeds up and whatever weed seed was with them. We're just going to hit a few of the spots there. We had a water hose there ready in case we needed it. You'll see I actually squirt a little bit of water up here in a minute when it's getting close to our drip line. Didn't want to burn that up. But right here you can see we're just burning up some of the bigger areas of the grass and weeds before I plow that up. Like the plow of a fall there, usually I like to already have it plowed up. It's just other things that needed attention more than this. But of a winter time the ground will freeze and thaw and it helps bust up the soil. I'm going to probably go ahead and buy some fertilizer and have on hand for next year for like the taters and the corn. A friend of mine at work, he called about some fertilizer and just triple 10 was $600 a ton. Crazy. And the way they talk, by next year it could be up close to $1,000 a ton. So for hayfield and everything, I'll probably have the manure spreader out again, clean the barns out, and use that there for the hay field. Hey Doug, wake up. Alright, don't let it get over there and burn up our plastic. There's old Dan. Hey folks, look back there in the back. Does that barn look different now? Just a little spoiler. It's missing something up top there, I think. Folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. You all have a blessed day, and we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.